If you've ever wondered how to see endnotes in Word, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quick and easy way to view your endnotes so you can review citations, notes, and document references without any confusion. This is a simple word trick, but it can save you a lot of time when you're editing academic papers, reports, or any document that uses notes at the bottom of the page or at the end of the document. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Word tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your file is open, go to the View tab at the top of the screen. In the View menu, select Draft. Switching to Draft View makes it much easier to work with notes in Word because it changes how the document is displayed and gives you better access to note tools. After that, go to the References tab. This is where Word keeps the tools for footnotes and endnotes, so if you're looking for either of those, this is the tab you want to use. Now, in the Footnotes group, click Show Notes. When you click this option, Word will take you to the notes area of the document. If your document contains both footnotes and endnotes, Word may ask you which one you want to view. In that case, check Endnotes and then click OK. This tells Word to display the endnotes instead of the footnotes, so you can see the references you're looking for. Once you do that, your endnotes will appear, and you'll be able to read, edit, or review them directly. If needed, you can click into the endnote text and make changes just like you would in the rest of the document. This is especially useful if you need to fix citation details, update note content, or check the formatting before finalizing your work. And that's it. Now you know how to see endnotes in Word in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Word tutorials, productivity tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.